Can we say public sector has high morale, private sector has low morale? No, ऐसा नहीं है. Public sector has low morale, private sector has high morale. Not always. So what is always? Can we say public sector has, what you will say? Can we say public sector has morale, good morale? No. It does not have.
In some mention we can say.
How you will describe public sector? Does it have morale? It does not have morale. Yes. Generally we can say that in general sense we say as low. And in general we say high. If not high, then you can say good. Don't take high, the literal meaning. Generally we say that. Why? Why private sector in general? So private sector in general has high morale. Why? Private sector में
money motivation.
basically they can have, let's say, dynamics of human behavior, or if you take that private sector, so private sector organization will have more incidents of behavioral approach. Can we say the organizations are more designed on the basis of behavioral approach? In one sense, if you take everything, means they have tried to incorporate. In fact, behavioral approach has emerged also because of them. Their practices have resulted into also theory. Theory has resulted into practice. Practice has resulted into theory. So they have introduced, like say 360, I will tell you, in case of personnel will teach 360-degree appraisal. It was introduced by General Electric during 50s, which now we are implementing in public administration. So this kind of thing, or Toyotaism we can say that, customized services, total quality management. This. So it's not that private sector, public sector is not good. You are motivated, civil servants are motivated, that's why they serve. But average, if you say so, this is how we see morale on basis of average. You can apply Rensis Likert, and what he has told that low volume of production, poor quality of product, low sale volume, and low profit, poor quality of product. So public sector, you know that public sector organizations are known for poor quality of service. Can we say? In general. So in general, let's say that you can consider, and that is what since they have introduced all those tools and techniques of behavioral theory, that's why they can have better motivation and morale. This we can say. But public sector organization work culture is very different. It is still hierarchical, still pyramid type, still subordination. You have subordinates are treated like subordinates. You have such a pathetic culture. Pathetic culture is that class differences. Class differences क्यों छोड़ा एक ने lateral entry में? You know why he left? He was considered outsider, but इतना ही काफी नहीं था. जो WhatsApp ग्रुप होता है ज्वाइंट सेक्रेटरीट का, उसमें उसको नहीं लिया था उन्होंने. It's a very big thing. It is humiliation. आजकल हर सर्विस में हायरार्की लेवल पे व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप होता है. जैसे डिस्ट्रिक्ट मजिस्ट्रेट है, तो डिस्ट्रिक्ट मजिस्ट्रेट के पूरे डिस्ट्रिक्ट के सारे ऑफिसर का एक व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप होता है. उस WhatsApp group के through they have official communications. This. So it has been formalized. A new type of culture you will find is. The first thing is that he was not part of that WhatsApp group. Then he was not called in the parties and meetings when they had party, get together. So he was not called in that party. Humiliation. This kind of class consciousness they have still. So that is what you will find is this kind of culture. He left, he quit from IIT and an IIM graduate, you know that. He has done his own good things he may have done, working in civil aviation department. Bureaucratic culture, class consciousness. Right. So that is what the culture, let's say that. When there is such culture, so you don't treat other services, state public service, you know that, state public service and all India services. There is tussle. Why in the state there is no work? So they have their own association. State Public Service Commission personnel, they have their own association and they don't cooperate with all India service personnel. Jo karna hai kar lo. They have the mindset that you cannot do anything without our help. We will show you what we are. Not by working. Or what you will do all alone? Bureaucratic culture. This is what it has happened.